Okay. So for the next lesson, and the song is Pfumvu Paruzevha. So we did the introductory part. And then we developed the voices of the young women and girls, the high notes, the netete. So for this third lesson, what we want is to introduce these lower notes, these bass notes or these voices of men. So where we are playing, we introduce one of the bass notes, so we go. And then we're playing, you go. And then you. So it becomes. And then the second phrase. So that is it. So this is the starting point. So and then you choose a netete part that you are comfortable with. And I want to choose the one that starts from 4. If you are not comfortable with the netete that starts from 4, you can play it using the basic netete here. But like, this is the first phrase. Second phrase. But if you are comfortable with the netetes that start from number 4 position, you go. Where we started. We had the bass note. So the ending is alternatives. You could go and then you use this B7. So these are the bass notes: B1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, B7. So the first phrase, and then the second phrase. So you use L1, and so this is where we are. So what is important is that once you've learned how to play on the left side, now we have got this variation where you include the upper notes and the lower notes. Whatever you've learned of how to play these netetes, you can incorporate and play with this new arrangement of the notes. So you could start with the basic netete. And then go to and then play the higher netted. So the point is, whatever you know of this netete, you can incorporate with the variations that you play on the left side. So the next step and then these are minor changes. You can play, and then instead of going, you can reverse these notes and play backwards. So, And then second phrase. And then for the last phrase where you go, you can then play this big bass note. Now this is a special key because this is the lowest key on the instrument, and it has a Shona name Gadzanga, meaning the sync where everybody sings, and it really gives this chord. So if you play, so we've incorporated this now. So you can keep on developing it, but for now, what we wanted to introduce were the bass notes, and the important lesson is that, and then you go. And then there are a few variations to add on to that. So we've done 3 parts. We've got a basic part. We've learned how to develop these netetes, and then now we've introduced the bass notes. And for the instrumental part, that is sufficient to play, to do a small performance. And I think for the next lesson, then I can teach you how to, hum or sing a few words, and which you can further develop on your own. But with those 4 lessons, we'll have done important study on Thomas Mapfumo's Pfumvu Paruzevha. Okay.